Hi, my name is Alexey Karas. I teach economics here at University College Roosevelt, and we are going to look at one particular session of my Introduction to Economics class. In this class, I use a method called just-in-time teaching plus peer instruction developed by a Harvard physics professor, Eric Mazur. Before a class, I give students an assignment where they need to read a chapter from a textbook and then answer a few questions and solve several problems. They do it online, and after they complete the assignment, I look at the solutions they give and try to detect what kind of problems they encounter, what kind of concepts are particularly difficult. On the basis of that, I then prepare my class. Specifically, I select a list of so-called concept tests, multiple choice questions that focus on a specific concept. I put one of those concept tests on the screen, let students think about it individually for a few seconds or a minute, and after that poll them. I let them show their voting cards with the answer they would like to give. On the basis of the distribution of answers, I can then either go on and explain the concept myself, or if the distribution of answers is somewhere between 30 and 70%, then I let students talk to each other and try to convince their partner of their own answer. The benefit of this teaching method, well, for starters, students are engaged in their learning process. In particular, those who know the right answer, they have the chance to explain it to their peer. And we all know that explaining something to someone is the best way to understand it yourself. On the other hand, the person who is on the receiving end is typically able to hear a different explanation, different from an explanation that an instructor gives. And that's typically benefits students' understanding too, because an instructor is an expert. His mind works differently from a mind of a novice. And when it's a novice-to-novice explanation, chances are much higher that the right problems will be addressed.